common problem in Blender and Unity is that when you import an object file from Blender in Unity, sometimes you can see faces missing. So let's start by importing the damaged object from Blender in Unity. Okay, so if you can see, the monkey's ear is disappearing. You can see some faces missing from that ear. So this is a Blender problem, and now we can open Blender, turn on face orientation. So now you can see there are some red faces. Those red faces are the faces that will disappear in Unity. So we go in edit mode, select all the red faces, and then click mesh, normals, and flip. They will now turn blue. So the faces turn blue will now appear in Unity. I will now select all the red faces so I can flip them all. Click shortcut Alt N, flip again. Oh, I missed one face. Flip again, Control save, and now we can import it in Unity. As you can see, the ear is appearing correctly. You can see all the faces, none of them missing, and it is ready for production. Thank you for watching.